Morning, guys. We're getting the day started, and what we're going to have for breakfast is some tomato sandwiches. So Clay likes his lightly toasted, and I just like mine on regular bread. We got a lot to do today. Water plants, dishes, laundry, housework, and all that good stuff. So it's going to be a busy one. Well, Clay's in here. He's cooking some lunch.
No, I'm putting things together so I can put them in the freezer.
Oh, see? And so he's working over there. I'm working over here on dishes. And,
We'll do a separate video on this.
yeah, we'll do a separate video. He's making some crab rangoon, so that'll be another video. But this is what goes on here on a day-to-day, keeping things rolling. And there's the little kittens. They're all taking a little cat nap, half awake. How's it going? So we're keeping track of these guys, their growth. They're growing good. This little guy right here looks like he's awake. Yeah. And he's still cooking. He's making, what are you making, baby?
Crab Rangoon.
And if you love Crab Rangoon, you got to look at our previous video.
Or cheese wonton, whatever you want to call them.
Yeah, you can look at our previous video and Clay will show you exactly how he's making it. So that's what's going on here, and I'm still getting more dishes done. It's a busy day. Okay, so now we're taking a break. Well,
waiting for our oil to heat up.
Okay, so what did we do? What did we watch?
What do you mean? We watched Dennis the Menace while we were waiting for our cheese wontons to freeze up in the freezer a little bit so we could do an IQF, which is individually quick frozen. We put them on a cookie sheet, and
well, this is
then we're putting them away
for. We'll have that cooking
and
recipe.
We'll have that video on a different video, which is making.
They're already gonna see
Crab Rangoon.
Yeah, so you can look up at the previous videos and you'll say, yeah. Okay, but listen. Did you like Dennis the Menace?
Yeah, I was cute. I always like Dennis the Menace.
What was the best part?
Oh, there was a lot of them.
I liked the little girl.
When he hooked the rope to the bad guy, and the train caught the rope and pulled him up to the sewer drain.
It's on Netflix. He's playing with Walter Matthau. He's playing with his false teeth. We were laughing and laughing. There's a part 2, right?
There's 3 or 4 of them, but it's not the same child.
Oh, it's not the same child?
It's not. The one, Dennis the Menace, the kid that played in Home Alone 3 is Dennis the Menace.
So we like watching funny movies sometimes. You like, what's your favorite movie, Vacation?
I got a lot of them, but Chevy Chase in Vacation makes me laugh from start to finish, no matter how many times I watch it.
John Candy's Great Outdoors.
John Candy's Summer Rental, and John Candy's Great Outdoors.
Those are both hilarious. We like to watch those.
I like those.
So we were going to take a nap and watch the movie, but then we were laughing so hard we couldn't.
We couldn't sleep, so we decided to get up and check the wontons, and they froze very fast, so.
Well, let's look at this cooker now real quick. It's a little messy in here. So tell me the story on this cooker.
It's just a deep fryer that
you got this at, we got this
Walmart, I believe.
Yeah, we used it the other day to make chicken tenders, and now we're checking
Just waiting for the oil to heat up.
Okay, and then we're just going to cook those.
This goes in there. You put your wontons or your chicken nuggets and things in
this. Well, doesn't this steam rice, and what's that story on the steaming rice? Did you see that?
Yeah, you can use it to steam rice or whatever. But
is it a ricer? Like a rice cooker?
No, it's a
So what do? Put water in there?
You take this oil and you'll strain it through cheesecloth and to get any bits of leftover chicken pieces or whatever out of the oil, and you can reuse it a couple times.
Well, what if I want to cook rice in there? Well, how's that go?
You'd have to look at your paper that came with it, honey.
I would imagine it just is a heat, and you just boil the water and throw the rice in.
You just boil the water in it and cook your rice in it.
Okay, so because I had several of those big bags of rice.
Yeah, You can make Spanish rice in it or whatever you want to do.
Okay, because I'll have to try that because, you know, I love rice.
Yeah.
I mean, and oh, it just really...
You just have to be careful cleaning that cooker because...
Yeah, that's what I was going to wonder.
You have to pull this probe out of here.
So basically it's just like an electric frying pan, only it's a pot.
Pretty much.
Because we also got that new electric frying pan.
But you have to pull all the electronic components out of it.
Well,
this cord comes off in there because that's magnetic.
Well, then we probably don't want to cook rice in it because could it mess it up or not really?
Let me put that out to the side this way.
Clay, couldn't mess it up?
The rice? No.
It won't mess up the steamer?
No, it's enameled inside. So.
Okay, so I can use this like a rice cleaner then?
Yeah. I would just make your rice in it and then mix your Spanish rice into another kettle or something so you don't have to do a lot of washing of it and just with a wet sponge on the inside of it.
It looks like it's getting hot.
Yeah, it'll get hot.
It's starting to boil up a little bit.
Well, you got a light here that tells you the temp.
Okay.
Right here, my finger is. Down
Presto.
right here.
Okay, I gotcha.
And when that gets up to temperature, you can check your temperature by, right, it's almost up to temperature.
So it's house cleaning day here, huh? Getting things done.
A little of everything, I guess.
Yes, it is. Oh, I'll tell you.
I still have to put some tomatoes in the freezer and everything else.
Yeah, the tomatoes, it's messy, but we're getting there. Definitely getting there.
Every time you get one project started, you have to make a mess for the next one.
I gotta finish my plants over there. My house plants projects. We were gonna dig out some paint and go through some of the colors, what we wanted. It's nice out. And here's some more of my house plants. That one in the back looks like he's having a bad day. So I'm trying to keep everybody happy.
Finish that up, I'm going to need that timer, honey.
Oh, you need the timer for the food?
It's out on the front porch where we're...
Okay, well hold up the... So he's got the timer and now we're cooking these down and they smell so good. I am starving. Well, I think this morning, what did we eat this morning? Did we eat a burrito?
I don't believe we ate it.
Did we eat a burrito today?
No, I had a tomato sandwich.
Okay, that's what we had. We had a tomato sandwich, well, like hours ago. I was thinking burrito, but I think we had that for supper last night.
Now I set this for 6 minutes and we'll test it. See if they're golden brown.
Yeah,
They have to go another minute or so. We'll judge it by that.
They smell so good. It looks good.
But now we still have 20 of them in the freezer, and I think within the next day or so we probably ought to make up the other. Because I've got one more block of cream cheese and one more of those packages of crab meat.
And I was messing around online too. Everybody was saying that they couldn't sleep last night. I think it's because of the full moon. I notice that a lot of times I wake up when it's like the full moon and things like that. I don't know why.
Now, is this the cooking video or is this your side video?
This is the video that I was showing like a day. So we're playing with cameras, guys. We're just...
I gotta have something to turn them over.
So you guys just go with us whenever we do stuff. I've got like 4 cameras, 5, I don't know. But I figured that I wanted to see how things went. Just a little something different for you guys. So we kind of were actually playing around recording a cooking video and this video at the same time because he wanted to leave the whole recipe together.
Yeah.
And so we just decided to do that. Something different. Because otherwise the cooking would have took up the whole video. But you guys can go back and look at that other video.
You don't want to flip over too good.
Yeah, they want to float. Well, that's interesting.
You gotta make sure you get them flipped over so both sides can cook evenly.
And I'm starving. And they're really hot when you first eat them too.
Well, you have to let them set for a few minutes. So that...
I think I'm going to eat 3.
That's fine.
Oh, remember the last time we made them? We couldn't stop eating them? Maybe you should kick out more. We couldn't. We kept eating and they were really good.
Splattered here a little bit. There.
But I
Let them cook.
am exhausted. I talked to my mom this morning. I talked to my sister.
They'll be done just about the time that timer goes off in 3 minutes.
Oh, good. And then I can eat. I'm also going to stop this video
You're
to
still
bring
going to
up
want
the
to do
other
the
video.
other video so that they can show them cooking too.
So they can see so they can see the other side. So, but we have a couple minutes. So much to do. Is that my other
That
phone?
was the other phone.
Uh-oh. We got to see if it shut off. Hang on, guys.
Shut off.
Hi, guys. So, I don't know what's going on. My camera's moving crazy on me. So, hang on. I told you guys I was playing with the camera today. So, the other video did not go off. I think it was because somebody left me a message on this one. And it got really dark on my screen, too. Or maybe it's just from the light. I don't know.
Alright, I shut that off.
Ooh.
These are the ones. Now
There's
that
a
they're
timer.
done.
There's the timer.
We will let them set for a little bit so we don't burn our mouths.
Yeah, so if you're watching the other video and coming back and watching this video, you'll like the thing. I'm going to see if the light thing.
Now you're going to want to get the other camera out for the
Wow,
other.
look how dark this camera got. Boy, well, guys, it might be really dark in here. I don't know. It's so weird. This is like my tablet and the other one, I don't know.
Might want to do your other phone, honey.
I'm going to. We're going to check it out. So hang on,
They're crisp,
dude.
like the edges are crisp like French fries.
They're crispy?